Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will practice a few questions about O-level topic, significant figures, estimation and approximation. So, and their application we will learn. Let's see. Uh, these are few questions, very simple questions. Write down the value of this number, correct to one significant figure. So 17.049. One significant figure, that means it will be, first of all, if we write it, round it off, that will be 17. But still it is two significant figure. So one significant figure means this will be to the nearest 10, that will be 20. So this is the answer of part 1, that is one significant figure, which is 2. This 0 is trailing 0, and in case of whole numbers, trailing 0 is not significant. Okay, one decimal place, so that is 17.049. If we round it off to one decimal place, this is less than 5. So if the next number, we have to round it off here, one place after decimal, but the place after that, that is not 5 or greater than 5, so it will remain 0. This is one decimal place. Answer of this part, that is 17.0. Okay, now next question, express correct to two significant figures. Two significant figures, this is 368.517. First of all, we have to round off these decimals, 369. Now correct to two significant figures, it will be rounded off to tens. So that will be 370. This trailing 0 is not significant, so this is two significant figures. Okay, second part is 0.060486. Now what about this one? That is correct to two significant figures. So 0.0, this 0 is leading 0, this is not significant, so first significant figure is this one, and since we have to round it off here to make two significant figures, but this is less than 5, so that will remain 0. This 0, trailing 0 in case of decimal is always significant. So these are two significant figures in this case, 0.060. This 0 is not significant, but this one is significant. And answer of this one was 370. Okay, now the next one, express correct to three significant figures. 4.7185, correct to three significant figure, 4.7. While deciding about the significant figures, we won't consider this decimal. So 4.718 will be rounded off to 2. So this is three significant figures, 4.72. We have to, at second decimal place, this is third significant figure, we have to round off this number. It depends on the value of very next number. If this number is 5 or more than 5, then this number will move to the next one, otherwise it will remain 1. Like if this number would have been 4, 3, 2 or any other number less than 5, then this would have been 1. Now this is 2. Okay, three significant figures of this one, that is 4 376 376. Let me write it here. The number is 376490. Now three significant figures will be 376. But what about these numbers? This is, you can say that this was 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. This was 300,000, 376,490. Now, if we leave this answer like this, then this will be only 376. So in order to make its value same 300,000, we have to put 3 zeros. These zeros are placeholders. They have no contribution in significant figures, but these zeros make it 100,000. So its value will be 376000. Actually, sometimes some students make this mistake that when they look at this number that it is to be rounded off to three significant figures, they think that this is enough to write. That's fine, that this is three significant figure, but its value is not now in 100,000s, but it is decreased to 300. So in order to keep the value same as it was, number of digits you have to complete. In case of decimal, if there is decimal between them, then it is not required. Rather, if you put more zeros on this side, trailing zeros in case of decimal, you know they are significant. But here they are not significant. Now in this one, this is 0.0038952. These leading zeros in case of decimal are never significant. So in order to make it significant number correct to the three significant figures, this is 3, 8, 9. Here it is 9 and this is 5. If we round it off, so it will be 895, that will be 900. So this 8 will be rounded off to 9. Actually, correct to two significant figures, that is fine. But we have to give the answer in three significant figures, so we put 0 here. So the answer in this case will be 0.00390. These zeros are not significant. These two are significant figures. In order to complete three significant figures, we have to put 0 here. And how do we decide? You should look at these numbers. This number, because we have nothing to do with this 3. 895, you can consider it as 895, but you have to round it off to two figures here, because one of them 3 is here, we need 2 more. So 895 rounded off, that will give you 900. But the problem is that if we put one more 0, that will become 4 significant figure. So we do not put another 0, so this will be 390. 00390. Okay, the next, express correct to one decimal place. One decimal place, 403.97. So this 97 will round off to 403, 404. Now, how do you decide? You just consider that this is 397. Once it is rounded off, that will be 400. So this will be 4.0. There will be 10 here when it is rounded off. We have no other choice. So it will be correct to one decimal place 404.0. Correct to two decimal place, two significant figures. Same number, correct to two significant figures. So that will be 400. Look, this is actually one significant figure, but we have to give the answer two significant figures. If we write it as 404, this is three significant figure. So it can be rounded off to one significant figure or four significant figure. So we have no choice to consider other than considering this number as two significant figures. So this will be 400. We can't give answer more correct to more than two significant figures. So 400 is the available answer in this case. That is what there is a little, as I said earlier, that there is a confusion about such numbers. This number is one significant figure as well as two significant figure and three significant figure as well. Okay, evaluate this giving your answer correct to two decimal places and three significant figures. So the number is 80 whole 1 upon 4 minus 5.4 divided by 10. So this, since this one is in decimals, let's change this one into decimal as well. So that will be divided by 10, that will be 0.54. Now subtracting this number from here, 80.25 minus 0.54. So it will be 5 minus 4, 1. Now here 2 is smaller than 5. So what we can do, we can borrow 1 from here. 1 from here. So that will become 79. And that 1 will make it 12. 12 minus 5, 7, 79.71. Okay, this we have to give the answer correct to one decimal place 79.7. Correct to two significant figures, that will be 80. If we round it off, this is one significant figure, but we can consider it two significant figure as well because we have no other choice. So this will be 80. Okay. Next question. Write down this number correct to the nearest whole number. Its nearest whole number is 905 if we round it off. Three significant figures, that will again be 905. Two decimal places, that will be 904.96. Its answer will be 905. Again 905, three significant figures, two decimal places, 904.96. That's it. Okay. Express this number correct to two significant figures. Here, these zeros are trailing zero and leading zeros. They are not significant, and 7, 8, 4, 6 correct to two significant figure. We will leave these zeros as they are. Two significant figures 7, 8, because this number is less than 5, so this 8 will remain as it is. Okay, so I hope that you have got the idea of significant figures. So these are remaining questions. If you want to practice for more accuracy and more clear understanding, I suggest that you should do these questions by yourself. By stopping the video, you can look at these questions. Actually, the spirit of O-level is that as much practice you will do by yourself, that is more fruitful. Otherwise, it is not a problem to solve all these questions, but you should do an effort by yourself so that you are more confident that you can do them. So these are the questions. You must try them. Okay, these are practice questions of estimation and significant figure. Most of these questions you can expect in paper 1. Inshallah, I will share few more questions from past papers, topical past papers about estimation and these significant figures. So let's see. Allah Hafiz.